Dear students, welcome to our tutorial of drawing a puncture device assembly. We finished the first part of this assembly, which is the base we draw in our previous videos, the top and front view or assembly. Now we'll start with other parts. Let's go back to our drawings and we'll draw our tightening piece, top view of tightening piece and the front view of our tightening piece. As we can see here, our tightening piece consists of 80 by 160 by 80 lines, and we have our here this distance is 50 and this distance is 60. So I'll draw it this way. I'll draw 3 lines with ortho on 80 by 160 by 80, and then I'll take a construction line from the mid and offset it 30 to have my 60 distance. I'll offset a line from here to 50 and finish my top view. Let's do it. So 80 by 160 by 80 first. I'll go back to my AutoCAD Mechanical. I want to be sure that my ortho is on. Yes, it's highlighted. I'll take a line from here, but from the previous video we didn't switch our layers back. I'll go back to our AutoCAD Mechanical 0 layer, draw a line 80 160 80, enter, and as I said, I'll take a construction line. I don't need a horizontal, I need a construction line from the mid of this one. I'll take another construction line vertical from here. I'll offset it by 50 and the middle construction line I'll offset it by 30, up and down. I'll go back to my lines and take it from here to here to here, back to here. I'll get rid of my construction lines, and this is my top view is ready. Let's go back to our drawing and see what we have. We have counter bore hole here. We have 2 holes, M20 by 2, deep of this tapped hole is 20. It's flat end, and I have another hole here. We have 2 holes, countersink hole by 20, and the countersink dimension is 47.83 by 120 degrees, the inclined lines of our countersink. So let's do our counter bores. They are the same distances as in the base. Here we have 30 from here to here and 40 by 80 down. So I'll go back to my and draw rays, vertical ray from here and other vertical, another ray. Let us take it construction. It's better construction line from here, and I have my down. Okay, offset by 30 in order to set the center points of the counter bore holes. Offset 40. This is my first center line. Again offset 80. This is my second center line for my counterboards, and our countersink is 64 from here, so I'll go offset 64, and I have my center point for the countersink hole and tabbed hole. Let's go to our content and search for our counterboards. This is my counterboard, user counterboard. I need the top view, again top view. I'll put it here. My rotation angle is 0. I'll take enter and we'll see that the parameters for our counterboard. Let us check them here. Our parameters are 24 through 36 by 22 deep. So the 24 is here, through hole 20, and the parameters for counterboard is 36 by 22. This is our 36 diameter and 22 deep. So we have 36, deep 22, and the small diameter is 20. Finish. Here's our counterboard. Let's do a copy this way, or mirror, or anything you can do. You can take a copy of this one. We can copy it from here, from the center to the center, and we have the other. Here we have two holes. Here we have tabbed hole first, M50 by 2 pitch. Let's go back to our tabbed hole. Okay, content, tabbed through hole, metric fine thread, top view. We'll have it here. Rotation angle is 0, and we'll go for our 50 by 2. Where is my 50 by 2? 48. This is my 50 by 2 metric thread, fine metric thread. Finish. We have another hole. Our another hole is countersink 20, 47, 83 by 120. Okay, we did already countersinks. Where's our countersink? This is my countersink, user countersink, top view, again top view. We'll have it here. Our rotation angle is 0, and this work with our parameters. Here D1 is 20, as we said. D2 is 47. How much? 47.83. Okay, then 47.83, and the angle is 120, and I'll click finish. So this is my countersink. This way we finish our tightening piece top view. We'll see you in next videos to continue. I'll get rid of my construction lines and save, and see you next video.